All right, 2014 Toyota 4runner passenger side door lock actuator replacement. So, first of all, you got to remove this guy. It's just held in by clips. There's a cover here, which is this guy here, right? It reveals the one screw right there. There's a little cover here that reveals a screw here, and then there's a hole here that's covered up by this thing here, and yeah, just remove the screw out of that place, and everything else is held in by clips, and that's about it. That's how to get the door panel off. And then let's take the door panel off and replace that door lock actuator. So to take off the door panel, you gotta remove these cables off the door handle and the door lock switch. There's this connector, and then I think there's a connector right here for the light at the bottom. And yeah, so it's pretty simple. If you can't remember which cable goes where, just give them a pull or a push. That's the door lock switch, right? And then this one is the if you just pull it, that's for the handle. So yeah, once you remove this door panel, it's pretty much held in by these clips, other than the 3 screws that I took out. All right, this clip must have came off. Put that back. Clip's still good. So yeah, it's just held in by these bunch of clips. Once you remove those 3 screws, so disconnect the plug for the door lock actuator, and there's gonna be 3 Torx screws. They're gonna be T30, if I am correct here. Yeah, T30. And I'm just gonna have to peel away the vapor barrier here, and then I think that is just there to hold the window run channel, and I think that should be it. And then just feed the cables out, and then we're gonna swap that over to the new actuator. All right, so I tried to remove as little as possible of this vapor barrier, but if you go inside, there's 1 rod in there that you got to take off, and that 1 bolt that holds the channel for the your glass goes right in front of it. Let me just see if I can get a better shot there. That's that guy there, and yeah, so 3 bolts and it should be coming out. All right, so I got the actuator on the bench. We're gonna do some transferring over of some parts. Customer supplied that actuator, and it's from Rock Auto. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer over this rod, transfer over the cables, and put it on the new one. And that's how it looks like. This thing just pops right out, right? This goes into here, right? Stick that in, and then the cables, they're just locked into there, locked in there. You're gonna have to take this cover off to get this other cable out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. And if you need to change your door lock actuators on your Toyota 4runner, I hope this video helps you. And just to show you how this cover comes off, right? On the back side, there are these 3 holes. And with those 3 holes, you get a little pick, and you pop off those clips inside, and that will release this cover, right? If you can see, like right here, these tabs here, they come off, and then you can open this thing up. So, and if you don't know how to open that up, you can always break this one, figure that out later, and then make sure you don't break it on the new one. So yeah, hope that helps. Installation is the reverse order of how you removed it.